So check it out. This is my new Interceptor BS6 and it's possibly the brand newest for me. It has just been 7 days. I did only 270 kilometers. And only thing I don't like is this all-time headlamp on. Reason? If I just switch on the bike, it just go turn on at the moment. It's not like KTM's that it will start until you start the engine. So I searched many things on the internet and I got this. This is a sole harness AHO mobile headlight off unit, and it says free switch, plug and play. And inside it's a bit confusing because it says for aux lights. I don't know why, possibly it's a mistake. And for inquiries there's a number, and it says designed by Rohan, assembled by Chintan, conceived by Neelu Baba, made in India product. And yes, it's not they are not giving me any money because I'm just a new face on the channel, and today we are going to install it. Let's see. So we are at Hall Customs now. It's in Gorakhpur on Jail Road, and normally I got my service Classic 500 from here, and now the Interceptor. I haven't got service yet, but today from installation. So I've opened the sole harness packing, and the wire quality and the aux qualities does look good. It doesn't look very feeble. You know, it will take the weather and everything. It won't get rusted. We get this so-called free switch. So right now we are getting the headlight removed, and later we'll start shooting again when we'll be ready to install it. So this is the power source, and we had connected this connector to power source, and this will be connected to the headlamp. And these I don't know what are they called, I can't remember right now. These ports will go to this switch, and the switch has been installed here. Yes, it's opposite side, but due to brake calipers I'm not installing here. I will be installing here. Okay? It will easily access for me. And let's see how does it work. Now we have switched on the light and so it's still on. Okay, it's working. Let me check. It's on. It's saying on, off, it's saying off. Let's check it on when it's running. So as if now it's working great, and please wait for long-term review. For now, good investment. It costed me 249 rupees with 100 rupees shipping charge. We are back, and I've done like 10 kilometers till now, and it's working fine. Switch is of great quality. Only one kink I found, that if it's on then everything is working fine. The headlight is working, the pass light is always working, everything working. But if it's off, okay, then you will see that the high beam icon will be always on, and you won't be able to use the pass light. Okay, see, I'm clicking and it's nothing happening. But if it's on, then no issues, it's working like regular bike. That's the only drawback I've able to find till now. If it's off, no pass lights, so you have to live with it. Except that everything working fine. Hope so. This is for today. Hope this video will help to anyone who is looking to do this on their bike. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe for more content related to bikes and cars. See you soon, and please share with your friends if you like the video. Bye.